Hey guys, so today we're going to be hydrolocking this Honda GC 190cc engine. Maybe add some dirt, maybe give it some juice, because I know it thirsty, so let's do this. Alright, let's start it. On. Let's get some dirt. Well, it does like it. Does like the dirt. What about some juice? Let's try some juice. Yep. Alright, let's try this juice technique. I'll put very little in. Aw, that's sad. I think it had... Ooh, that smells good, actually. That exhaust smell smells so good. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to try to start it. So let's try to do that. Alright, now for the hydrolock, which is coming in the next scene, right about now. Alright, so this is the scene of where I'm gonna hydrolock it. There you guys go.
That was legitness.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's not stopped.
Alright. So yeah, that's what happens when you hydrolock an engine. Let's see if it's seized. Yep, it's seized. So let's pull out the spark plug and we should have a good engine maybe with the bent connecting rod. Alright, see you in the next scene. Alright, here I got the spark plug removed, and as you see, it's pretty wet. Sorry for the focus. But yeah. There's a spark plug, and let's see how much water comes out. Now, let me just move that right there. Ew. That got all over me. Let's pump it all out. Here, let me move the spark plug because I'm stepping on it. What do you think, guys? Is it gonna start? Tell me in the comments. Alright. I think that's good enough. What do you think? Tell me in the comments, of course. Yeah. Let's see if we can start it. So I put it on the spark plug. Let's see if it starts. Okay. Yeah, let me hold my camera a little bit better. That's just a clutch for the engager slipping. Seems like it doesn't want to start. Alright, I'm gonna remove the spark plug again and use this straw and then siphon out some fuel and just put it in the spark plug like that. And well, in the spark plug hole in the combustion chamber. And maybe it'll start. And the compression seems the same or stronger. Like, but I honestly think it's normal, which is good. I don't think any damage has happened, so we might do this again. Okay, so I found out the problem. It's a timing issue. So when I pulled it just now off screen, it literally like pulled the thing really hard. Literally almost pulled me in. So I did this and then it just like pulled me in like hard. So it backfired. So yeah, that's not good. So something's wrong with the timing. So water will destroy your engine. So don't do it. Yeah. Okay, so I just found out the problem. I disassembled it. Look at that. Here's the key. And it was very offset, the timing. Look at that. There's part of it. It literally snapped it off. Like, oh my gosh. Snapped it right off. I checked the timing using the valve cover and the exhaust port, and I'm like, oh, something's up. So yeah. And if it gets it running, we'll hydrolock it again. So let's do this. Here's what's left of the key. And you'll actually see that it's been sheared. Sorry, I can't focus. And you'll actually see it a lot better here. Look at that. I literally bent it. Yeah, sorry for the focus. So yeah, this piece went in there, like that. And this one is over here. So I gotta make a new key of some sort, which I have no idea on how to make, but I think I have a friend that might be able to do it. So, yeah. Pretty cool, right? This is some of the engine. You could actually see the valves. See, intake, exhaust, compress, intake. Wait. Hold up. Wrong way. Oh, yep, wrong way. Man, look at that rear main seal. It's pretty big. Just awesome. So I gotta make myself a new key out of this, and yeah, put it in and start this engine. Hey guys, guess what? I got it running. It actually starts. Let me show you. Okay, that's open. Even after a hydrolock and a cheap repair using pennies, I use pennies as the key. And we're gonna put this in and then hydrolock it. Let's do it. So let's start it and see if we'll ingest them. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, don't feed your engine Orbeez. Alright, what happened? Are they stuck? I put glue inside, I think. Yeah, I think I did. Off camera. So, yeah. Here, let me see if I can start it again. Give it some brake cleaner as fuel. Alright, good enough. Let's start it. Seems like Orbeez will kill your engine. Yeah, I'll see if I can start it off camera. Alright, I got it working. I just needed to start it a couple of times, pull it, and yeah. Alright, and let's hydrolock it. But I kind of want to do some more stuff with it. But I do not know. Let's hydrolock it and see if it does the same thing where the key breaks or something. Which it might. But I did add super glue and glue, whatever, to try to keep it in place. Yeah. Plus I gave it a little cleaning with the head and some other areas. So, yeah. I just gotta find a bucket to pour the water in. Or just, yeah, just get I'm just gonna get a water bottle and just pour it in. Yeah. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I got the water in the water bottle. Well, technically. And let's start it. Okay. I feel like that was a little bit better. What do you think happened? Hydrolock? I mean, not hydrolock, piston broken or flywheel? What do you think? Let's see if it's seized. It's not seized. Piston. We have a piston damage. Look. Wait. Yep, it hydrolocks. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the spark plug and we're gonna see if we could find anything. Broken piston or anything like that. Let's see. In the next cut scene or something. Okay, so I found out what's the problem. Look, I'm gonna put a straw into the spark plug hole and start turning it. Look, piston is not going up. Not up and down, nothing. So we have a piston break. The spark plug was just had water all over it. Yeah. Let's disassemble it and see what's inside. I'm gonna get some good parts from there, like the carburetor, the on-off switch, the ignition coil, maybe the fuel tank, some valves, that's for sure, and yeah. Let's disassemble it. Let me show you the setup with the pennies I did. Look, those are the pennies right there. That's what I use as the flywheel key. Yeah. And when I removed the carburetor and the fuel tank, I see some oil down here. And if you look right there, here, yeah, it's like right there. See that little thing? I think that's where the oil came from. I don't know what that is. Wait. Hold up. Let me get a screwdriver. Let's see if oh, we have a hole. We have a hole. We have a hole. Look at that. Right there. We got some engine block damage. Yes! Finally, we got some engine block damage. And piston damage. Alright, let's continue disassembling it. Alright, so let's remove all screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is kind of tricky. Or I don't know. Yeah, there's 6 bolts. Well, I already moved 2, so there's 9 or 10. I'm not really sure. All right. Now I just gotta bop it a couple of times and separate the top half with the bottom half or something like that. Or it's probably just like this. Yeah, it's off of its engine mounts. Alright, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, I just got the engine, well, taken apart. Let's see. Yeah. Seems like I need some help, because I have to hold the camera with one hand and then the engine with another hand. Oh, what is stuck? Oh my gosh. Well, let me just hammer a couple times. Ooh! Look! We got some engine damage. Here, let me put my camera down. Alright, now I need to take off my gloves because they're oily. Alright, awesome. Look at that. Piston rod just snapped in half. Here's the governor. Look, there's a belt for the overhead cams. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more gloves just to get everything and show you. Alright, got some better gloves. So we got a piece of piston right here. Piston rod. Another piece of piston rod. Alright, let's take off the belt if I can, which I'm sure I can't. Oh wait, just this bracket. I could just pull it off if I get a screwdriver. And where's that screwdriver? Oh, there it is. Okay, got that belt off. I might have to take off the head to remove it fully. Another piece right here, but can't get it out. Yeah, I can't get it out. Oh wait. Okay, what is this? Oh, come on. Looks like a piece of a piston rod or something, but I do not know. Oh, look at all the metal. I didn't even notice. Look at that. Look at all that metal. There's even another piece of connecting rod down in there, which I'm trying to dig out. Okay, boom. Another piece of piston rod. It is destroyed. It's just destroyed. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can remove the belt off and fully remove the crank shaft and all that. So let's see if we could do that. I'll see you in the next clip or something. Alright, okay, here's the valves. I removed it. Well, I couldn't get it off, so I just cut it off. And yeah, here are the valves. See? Yeah. So on. And I removed the crankshaft. The crankshaft honestly looks intact. Like there's no absolute damage. Okay. Oops. Now here's some more of the shrapnel. another piece of, ooh, this one is kind of beat up. Now let's try to remove the piston. It seems to be locked up, but guess what? I removed the spark plug, right? Just unless it's just stuck. Yeah, I might actually have to pull it out with some pliers. Oh, that's where it came from. That piece. Look. See this? It goes right there on the piston. Yeah, it's just stuck. The piston. Oil mixed with water due to the hydrolock. Wait, no way. Hold up. If you look at that. It's just okay. But come on, I want to get the piston out and show you guys. Here, 1 second. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so I removed the piston, and here it is. Here's the piston. Pretty nice, huh? The piston rings. Now if you look at that. It's barely holding on the piston rod. So yeah, don't hydrolock your engines. And I'm pretty sure you saw in the first scene or something like that, I threw dirt in there. Look at the damage it has caused. Quite a bit of some grooves. Quite a bit grooves. Now what about that damage that you saw? Well, guess what? It's right there. See? Right there. That's the damage that has occurred. And that's why I was leaking oil. Oh, now we could just throw this engine away. Actually, yeah, I wanted the valves. Should I get them? Nah, they're kind of boring. So, yeah, at least I got those parts. These parts are I need. This fuel pump, which is awesome. Yeah. Time to clean up, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video of me hydrolocking this engine and repairing it, and then just hydrolocking it again, and then disassembling it and showing you the damage. Hopefully you liked it, because I actually wanted to do some other stuff with this engine, but yeah, I just kind of was thinking about YouTube, so yep, decided to destroy it. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, but you don't have to. I'm just asking if you can. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.